Okay, let us now discuss the second topic in your module, which is what we call the midjan or the midpoint formula. Okay, how can we differentiate distance formula from midpoint formula? Distance formula, we're going to discuss, or we're going to find the distance between 2 points. Now, the midpoint formula, we're going to find the midpoint that divides the distance or the 2 points in the Cartesian plane. So, hinahanap natin yung pinakagitna, ay ang midpoint. Let's say, in example number 1, we have the coordinates 4, negative 9. 4, negative 9. 4, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say this is by 2 sa count natin. So, 2, 4, then negative 9. So, this could be, if it is by 2 sa, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Nandito yan. So, that's 2. Remember that each point contains its 2, 2. So that is 4, negative 9. And the other points we have 2, 2, then 11. That is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. So let us find the distance or the midpoint between these 2 points in the Cartesian plane. So connect natin. So, take note ha, hindi distance ang kinukuha natin dito. We are finding the coordinates between 2 points. So this is, let's clarify, this is 2, 11. And the other points here is 4, negative 9. So ano kaya yung kanyang coordinates? So, the formula, for midpoint formula, we have the quantity x plus 1 plus x sub 2 divided all over divided by 2, then comma, y sub 1 plus y sub 2 divided all over divided by 2. So, coordinates ang hinahanap natin dito, it's not the distance. So, let's solve for number 1. Let's A is 4, negative 9, and B is 2, 11. So, midpoint is equals to quantity x sub 1 plus x sub 2 over 2, and this is y sub 1 plus y sub 2 over 2. Yes. The x sub 1 here is again x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, then y sub 2. Lagyan natin ng gano'n para di kayo mali. X sub 1 is 4, that is 4 plus it's 4, then 2 over 3. Then y sub 1 is negative 9. Negative 9 plus 11 all over 3. Kulang ito. All over 2. Sorry. Para diba? Distance eh. So this could be, this is 6 over 2. Then this is 2 over 2. Yeah. So let's divide. So this is 3 and this is 1. So the coordinates of these points, 4, negative 9, and the other points 2, 11 is 3, 1. So let's find 3, 1. Nasa gitna ba talaga siya? So this is 3 and this is 1. Diba? 2 yan, 1 yan. So 3 then 1, ito yun. Kasi 2 yan eh. So ito yan. Yeah. So this could be, this is 3, 1. So that is the midpoint. Now, if I were to ask you, what will be the distance between this 211 up to this 31 and this 31 up to 4, negative 9. So that is actually divided by 2. I-divide mo lang yan. If the distance, let's say the distance here is 10, it means that from 2 to 11 to 31, that's 5. And from 31 to 4, negative 9, that's also 5. Kasi nga midpoint yan, gitna yan. It divides the line into 2 equal parts. Okay? So that is for that number. Now, let us compute number 2. The number 2. Okay. So, let's say in number 2, the given coordinates are say 2 and 6, 5. Okay, midpoint formula ulit. Midpoint formula, we have here x sub 1. The x sub 1 should be x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, then y sub 2. X sub 1 is 0 plus 6 over 2. Then y sub 1 is 2 plus 5 over 2. So this is 6 over 2. Then this is 7 over 2. Okay. This is 3 and this is 3.5. Am I right? That's 7 divided by 2. That's 3.5 or 3 point. So that will be the coordinates 3 and 3.5. Okay, let us have the featured problem in this lesson, in midpoint formula. So the problem goes like this. Two mountains have these coordinates, 48, 26 and 82, 46. Find the distance between them. So what will you going to do for this problem? So tanda natin ang hinahanap niya is distance. Hahanapin natin yung distance ng dalawang ito. Gaano sila kalayo. Okay, since it is midpoint formula, the first thing that we're going to do is to find first what we call the midpoint of this formula. So let us illustrate. Let's say this is mountain A, and this is mountain B. So we're going to find the distance between these points. Let us say that's X. Yan. So that's yung pinakagitna na hahanapin natin. But let us put down the coordinates of A. That is 48, then 26. And the coordinates of B, that is 82, and 46. So what will be the coordinate of this X? Okay, so solving using the distance formula, or the midpoint formula, we have here midpoint is equals to, that is X sub 1, X sub 1, Y sub 1, X sub 2, then Y sub 2. X sub 1 and X sub 1 is 48 plus 82 divided by 2, and then Y sub 1 is 26 plus 46, then divided by 2. Okay, take note that we're going to find the coordinates between these two mountains. So this could be 48 plus 2, that is 130 over 2. Diba? That is 10, 12, 13. The other one is we have that is 72 divided by 2. Okay. That's not plus. This is 65 and this is 36. That's 7. So the coordinates of the midpoint is 65 and 36. Okay, that is the coordinate. But take note, find the distance between them. So you're going to find the distance of A to X and X to B. So, take note midpoint yan. Ibig sabihin, what will be the measurement of A to X? That will be the measurement of X to B. So that is AX or AX is equal to XB. Kasi nga midpoint yan. Okay. So we're going to find the distance of AX. So AX should be equivalent to B. Kasi this is distance formula niya yan. And that is, we're going to use the distance formula. So x sub 1, ito na ngayon yung x sub 2. X sub 2 na yan, ito na yung y sub 2. Okay. That is 48 minus 65 square plus, that is 26 minus 36, then square. So this is 48 minus 65. 48 minus 65, 48 minus 65, that is negative 17 square, then plus, this is negative 10 square. So it will give you 17 square, that is 289 plus 100. So this is 389. Square root of 389. Okay, the square root of 389, 389 will give you 19.72. This is 19.72 units. Now, Again, as we have stated before, since yung x is nasa gitna yan, midpoint yan, so whatever the value of ax, whatever the value here from here, the same as here and here. So the condition should be ax is equal to xb. So if ax is 19.72, therefore xb is also 19.72. So what would be the measurement of this line or AB? I-add mo lang yung dalawa. So it will give you 19.72 and then 19.72 will give you 14, that is 9, that's 39.44. Okay. I leave to you how to check if 39.44 will come out if you're going to solve for the distance formula for these 2 points. Okay, it's challenge for you to solve for the distance formula. Okay, that's all for today, and do your module now and do your exercise in your module. Sana mataas ang mga maging score natin, no? So, with the video that I have sent to you earlier, yung mga related videos in my insights also with this lesson, I think pag pinanood niyo yung mga lessons na to, yung mga video na sinend ko sa inyo in my video, siguro ko naman mataas na makukuha ninyo sa module na ito. Okay, thank you for your time and happy learning.